Welcome back to the channel. Another day, another road, another pack. It's after 11 o'clock, 11:30 I think, and dogs have been out twice for a walk. Good thing about a Saturday and a Sunday today, there's a lot more people out with dogs, so dogs get to hang out with a lot more people, a lot more dogs. And so at the moment we're just chilling. What I want to do is I did an experiment with this fridge down here, this new fridge I got. I showed you in the last video, and it's really interesting, the results. But got Patu and we got Rain at the back there, and so as soon as I'm not lazy to get out here and walk over here where the fridge is, I'll let you know, I'll show you. It's really really good. I'm quite happy with the results so far with the fridge, and we're going to be here till late this afternoon and probably up through the night, then we'll move. But thanks for joining us, we appreciate it. So show you this. There's the fridge there. Bought a 100 amp hour deep cycle battery, AGM battery, and bought this power box here. It's got all the connections here. It's got this lighter car cigarette thing here, and USB here, and there, off and on switch there. Just switches off the fridge. So this thing here, so what I've done is I've connected to the fridge here, and this has been just powering the fridge without any without charging this battery. You can see it's at 12.6 amps. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this has been charging this for 41 hours, and I think it's still got all day, all night. So I'm thinking it's going to be well over 50 hours at this battery here in this power box. It's going to charge this fridge, keep this fridge running well over 50 hours without even having to put a charge on this. So that's pretty cool. I got the camera battery charging here on this little power station. So there's the camera battery there charging for the camera down there. So it's going to be a little bit of a powerhouse, this van. But anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. What are you going to do, Ray? You're going to come out for a drink? Come on, Ray. Give the dog some water. Come on, Ray. You can fit through there, man. What's wrong with you? Patu, get! Sweet. Just got to give the dog some water. So I've been keeping all here nice and clean and tidy, staking everything in there. I mean, it's never ending cleaning with dogs in here all day, every day. But never mind, give the dog some water. I've been taking photos today, got some really nice photos of fantails. I'll put a couple in the video so you can see. Just looking at one over there, I'll grab the other camera and see if I can get there. Sweet. Oh, no. Just flew over here. But I got some really nice shots of fantails this morning, which they're really hard to photograph, but never mind. We do what we can. Sweet. Dogs have been watered. Might go for a little walk down there. Funny, some people that walk dogs, they're really scared, and they as soon as they see you with dogs off leash, they take off the other way. Go, Put, go. Go, Put. Seen Patu off down there, and the rain's still taking her time. We'll leave Patu down there for a little walk around here. And Patu should come up around back over there. Well, that's the plan. Gee, that sun is bright. Oh, no, I'm not going to send him down. Just going to get back around here. There's a new bridge out way down the bottom there. It's coming across to this side. And not sure how it's going to go. Well, I don't really know. I don't even bother with it. Anyway. Fans over there, I've got the door wide open. Forgot to close the door. I do that sometimes. Go for a walk with the dogs, come back and the side door's wide open. Front door's open over there right now. Damn. I better go and close it. Got some buns in here. They've been in there for a few days, so just put some butter on them and sort of cook them like this, and then I'll put some, I'll show you. Got some bit of luncheon and cheese in here. There. I'll chuck them in between those bread, and so I don't waste the bread. Cool. There we go. Put some cheese, luncheon meat on this. Only took 5 minutes to cook, and that's the advantage of having a damn fridge down there. You can keep food like this in there for a few days, and there it is. What do you think, Ray? Well, the day's getting on. It's just about what's the time? 25 to 3. Dogs have been out walking around, meeting other dogs as usual, having some water. We're just chilling out at the moment, and go for another walk soon, give them some food this afternoon. And the day's been actually really good because of the weather, but see how it goes for the rest of the day. Patu's over here watching those people. Keeps an eye on everything and everybody around the place. Thinks he's Mr. Watchman. Bro over there. Rain's still chilling out on the back there. And that fridge, it's on 12.6. Oh, their battery is still on 12.6 watts. Oh no, not watts, volts. I said watts earlier in the video, but it's 12.6 volts, so it's still got plenty of charge in it to charge the fridge. Sweet. Well, that's our first walk of the day done. Get the dogs back, give them some food and water, and I'll show you that fridge. You'd be really surprised. Well, I'm really surprised how long that fridge has been running without, just from that deep cycle 12 volt battery. And I've also charged other stuff on that battery. Pretty good. Anyway, we're going to head back, finish the rest of our morning. Well, here we are. The dogs some food and water. Four dogs. This is their routine every morning, 7 days a week. Always go for a walk first, run, and then food, water. Good dog rollers, you don't have to chill it. All the dogs get the same amount. They can go in the front. Come back. Go, think. Good girl. Patu always gets fed last, so Patu gets fed special way. I hold the bowl. Just until he learns how to feed properly. But anyway, that's how I feed Patu. So the battery inside here, 12 volt deep cycle battery. It's been running this fridge 64 hours, just past 64 hours without having to be charged. It's pretty cool. And the fridge is maintained, I've got it set to 5 degrees Celsius, so pretty impressive. So it's probably last all day today as well, and some of the night, but as soon as it gets down to 12.1 volts, I'm gonna take it off the fridge and then charge it. But just over 64 hours so far, no assistance. And I've charged, you see the USB ports there, I've charged a GoPro on here as well, the phone, my vape, and it's still pumping out power to this fridge. Cool. And you can see everything's really nice and cold. There's a bit of ice around there, so there you go. But the dogs are settled in now. Well, dogs have been out for another walk and watered and stuff, so I was just cooking me some breakfast. Got some porridge and cream from the fridge. How's that? And some toast. There you go. Well, it's supposed to be breakfast. It's lunchtime now. Sweet. Well, that's our day done. It's getting cold, it's getting dark, and dogs sort of had their final run. Well, not their final run, we'll see what happens later. And had food. Been a full-on day, nice weather, out filming, taking photos, and hanging with the dogs. So, thanks for joining us. Appreciate your company. See you on the next video.